guys, this is Tramboy70. Today I got a package. I got it from eBay. It's already open, so let's take a look inside. Well, what do you know? It's Ertl, Thomas, and Ertl, Mr. Conductor, from the movie Thomas and the Magic Werewolf. It's inside the bubble wrap. I had to get it out and off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! I just got Thomas and Mr. Conductor out of the bubble wrap. So let's take a look at them, shall we? First up is Thomas. This is the Ertl Thomas. It was made in the 80s, right after Thomas came out in 1984. So here's the front. Side has number 1 on it. The bottom. The other side has a number 1 on it. The top. And the back. Thomas is in good condition. So let's take a look at Mr. Conductor. Now I have Mr. Conductor, the Ertl version. I could use him for my making a movie called Thomas and the Magic Werewolf. But the paint is peeling. But that's okay. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, and the back. Mr. Conductor is in good condition, by the way. Well guys, that's it with the unboxing of Ertl Thomas and Ertl Mr. Conductor. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.